In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app that's already on your device. Then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner. And before doing anything, hit those three dots on the right. Now select Settings and adjust all of those under Alarm however you want to. You can tap on Volume. Decide if you wish to set a different volume for each alarm, or use the same one by clicking on one of those options. If you want to use the same one, you need to pick it by adjusting volume slider. Go back. If you want to use the same background for all alarms, hit Alarm Background here. Tap on Background at the top left corner and choose Allow All. Now you can either pick one of those, click on the top right corner and set it up, or create a custom one by choosing any photo. Just click on the best one and hit Done at the top right corner. Now tap on Upcoming Alarm Notification and select one of those options. You can also disable them by hitting Off. Wherever you decided, when you finished with all of those settings, go back. And to create a new alarm, use this plus next to three dots. Now you can customize it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on days of the week you wish to set up. Click on Alarm Name to label it. And select Done at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on all of those switches next to all of those features to disable or enable them. If you decide to switch them on, you can click on each one on the left to adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. You can pick the volume of this alarm by operating slider at the bottom and decide if you wish to click on one of those options like Spotify, log in and use music from it, or select ringtone. Now you can operate those two switches, and to tap on any song from the list and set it up, just click on it. Make sure that this dot next to it is green and go back. You can also select ringtone and tap on this plus at the top right corner. This way you can decide if you wish to play selected highlights or any song from your smartphone by tapping on this switcher. Click on your song and choose Done at the top right corner. Then go back. Now hit Vibration to choose one of those patterns. Select Synchronize with ringtone if you are using one of your default ringtones, or tap on Silent. You can also adjust intensity of your vibrations thanks to this slider. Go back, click on Snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back again, tap on Alarm Background, and if you didn't adjust it before to be the same for all alarms, you can click on Alarm Background here and adjust it only for chosen one, the same way. When you're ready, hit Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and discard your changes by hitting Cancel, or save them by hitting Save. If you want to turn it on or off, this sweater next to it. And to get rid of it, just hold it and click delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!